Hello everyone, my dear brother and sister. Today we are going to talk about a very big and very important topic. A topic that is not only about Pakistan or Saudi Arabia, but it will affect the whole world politics. You must have already heard the news that Pakistan and Saudi Arabia have signed a historic agreement, and believe me, this agreement is not a small thing. It is something that made many powerful countries very worried. Israel got shocked, America got worried, India got confused, and the whole world is now looking at this with surprise. Because after this deal, a new chapter has opened, and when a new chapter opens, the old power feels that the ground under their feet is shaking. Relax and listen carefully because I will explain everything step by step so you can understand what this agreement really means, what will be the impact, why Turkey is also now considering such a deal, why Israel is panicking, why America is restless, and most importantly, what does Pakistan gain from it, and what danger we may also face. Now, first of all, let's make it very clear. This deal between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia is not just an ordinary deal. It is not only about trade or small military cooperation. No, this deal is much bigger. This deal says that if Pakistan is attacked, then it will be considered as an attack on Saudi Arabia, and if Saudi Arabia is attacked, then it will be considered as an attack from Pakistan. Just imagine how big this statement is. On paper. It looks simple, but for the world powers, it is very serious because it means both countries are now standing as one for defense. And the world knows Pakistan is a nuclear power. Pakistan has missile technology and a very strong army. So now Saudi Arabia is also protected by this nuclear umbrella, and Saudi Arabia on the other hand has the most powerful oil resources in the world. The whole world economic runs on Saudi oil. So when these two countries combine, it become a nightmare for Israel and America. No, the most interesting part is that Saudi Arabia did not tell America about this deal. Yes, you heard right. The agreement was done secretly, and only after signing it they announced it to the world. Had America known before, they would have tried to stop it, change the terms, create hurdles, but no, it's too late, and that's why America is upset. No, this is not the end of the story. The next big question is Turkey. Is Turkey also moving towards such a deal with Pakistan? And the answer is yes, it is possible. And if it is happen, then the game will be totally changed because just think about it. Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, and Turkey all together standing for each other defense. Then who will dare to threaten them? No, many people will say, wait, Turkey is NATO member, and according to NATO rules, if Turkey is attacked, all NATO members must defend it. That is true, but let's be honest. If Israel attacked Turkey, do you really think NATO country like America, France, Germany or UK will attack Israel? No chance, never. They will stand with Israel, not with Turkey. And Turkey, know this, Turkey is not blind. If understand that in case of conflict with Israel, NATO will not be safe. So the only option for Turkey is to look toward Pakistan, because with Pakistan, Turkey get a real guarantee of defense because Pakistan has a nuclear weapons and no with other Muslims country has them. That's why Israel so worried. They know if Turkey, Pakistan and Saudi Arabia come together, their greater Israel dream will be destroyed forever. Now think, if these three come together, then other will also start joining. Qatar may join, Egypt may join, even Malaysia may join, and then a hug Muslim bloc will rise. A bloc that the world has never seen before, and this is the biggest fear of Israel and America. They never want to Muslim unite. But no, slowly, it is happening. Now, my brother and sister, remember whenever Muslim gets close and unite the big powers to start to panic because they know united to Muslim will break their plans. That's why now Israel, America, and India will try their best to create problems. They will not directly attack. They will not come with bombs first. They will use pressure. They will use separate propaganda in media. They will try to show Pakistan in bad light. They will say Pakistan support terrorism. Pakistan has human rights issues. Pakistan economic is weak. They will say anything and everything. But all this is just fear because they know if this Muslim unity becomes strong, their game is finished. No, let's see the benefit for Pakistan. Pakistan already has strength, but alone Pakistan is always under pressure. No, with Saudi Arabia, Pakistan get economic strength. Saudi wealth and sport. With Turkey, Pakistan get geographical power, modern military cooperation and technology. So with these three countries together, Pakistan state and no one will dare to attack or isolate it. This is why this agreement is a turning point for us. But let's not forget, with every new power, new risk and also come. America and Israel will not just eat quietly. They will plan, they will pressure, they will push, they will punish. But if we stay strong, then nothing can harm us. My friends, and you will see in coming days new stories, new propaganda, new fake news about Pakistan. But you should understand the real person behind it. The real reason is the unity deal and nothing else. And now let me ask you one question. What do you think if Turkey also sign this deal with Pakistan will then be enough to break Israel dream or should more country join too? Tell me your opinion in the comments. I really want to know what you think. And before you have, don't forget to like this video, share it with others and subscribe to this channel. We can continue to bring you more powerful and eye-opening talk. May Allah protect you, our peace be upon you. Thank you.